I saw that my palm oil was heavy, very thick. So what I did was to double boil it to make it lighter. So that's what I'm doing here. I put it inside a bowl in a boiling pan and it became very light. That's what I needed. So now the palm oil is ready. You can see it's very light now. So I'm ready to produce my palm oil washing soap. That's my caustic soda, about 3 spoons. So I dissolved with just a little water. I'm going to dissolve it. Then that is my mold. You can use anything as mold if you don't have this kind of mold. Even the takeaway plates there can serve as your mold. So because you can easily remove it when it's dried. So I dissolved the caustic soda. I actually don't know what is wrong with this caustic soda I bought. That after dissolving it's left with tiny particles of white grains. I'm only actually going to query my chemical dealer about this. Anyway, it still has the properties of caustic soda, so there's no issue. So after dissolving it like this, I'm going to pour it directly into the oil. Pour and stir very, very well. I didn't have to wait for it to cool down because those particles there, they are really, really upsetting me. So I pour into the oil and start stirring. The soap is forming, as you can see. It's actually forming very fast. Soap is forming very fast. So what you do here is continue to stir to mix up the lye solution with the oil. So you stir very well. Good enough. This is a very small quantity, but even when it's big, then you have to use your turning stick and be very fast about it. So this is it. I'm stirring it. It's mixing up very, very well. It's mixing up very, very well. So you continue to stir until you are satisfied that the soap is formed. You will see it in the difference in the look of the soap mixture. It will show in the difference in the look that the oil has properly mixed together with the caustic soda. So once you observe that it has changed like that, you are ready to turn it into your soap mold. So I turn it into my soap mold, and like I said, you can use your takeaway plate to mold your soap. When you bring it out, you cut it into the size that you prefer to use. So I turn it into my mold. It's a very small quantity. I actually did not want to throw away the palm oil. It's thick and I didn't want to throw it away. So it's useful for me now. So after pouring it, just adjust the mold so that it can take a good shape. Adjust it like that. Then we are going to leave the soap. You can leave it for 24 hours, but actually it will be dry before 24 hours. So within about 4 hours, the soap was dried and ready to be unmolded. So you can see how strong it's looking and beautiful. And the beautiful thing about it is it does not stain the clothes when you use it to wash. I will make another video where I will show you how I use it to do my laundries. God bless you and thank you. Bye. Please like the video, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you very much.